the velocity of an electron in the second orbit of sodium atom, atomic number is 11. The velocity of an electron in its fifth orbit will be. Now in this question, first of all, there is an assumption. You need to assume that this sodium is behaving like hydrogen atom. That means sodium is behaving like hydrogen atom. This is your assumption, and if that is true, then Bohr's model we can apply. Then Bohr's model is applicable. Correct? So if Bohr's model is applicable, then we can apply all those results which we obtained in Bohr's model. So I obtained a few results, that Rn is equal to A naught into n square by z. Okay, where A naught is the radius in ground state. Correct? So Vn is equal to 2.2 into 10 to the power 6 z by n in meter per second. This is the standard result. And En is equal to minus 13.6 upon n square into z square in electron volts. We know that. So here they are talking about velocity. So from this result I can write Vn is proportional to z by n only. So now they have provided the information that when we are in second orbit, so n is equal to 2, we know that z is equal to 11 for sodium, which is also given, and they have provided that velocity Vn is equal to 2 is equal to v only. So now they are asking when it is in fifth orbit, so Vn is equal to 5 is equal to what? Okay, so say this is x, so I can write from our results Vn is proportional to z by n. That means v is equal to z is obviously 11, n is 2, right? So this is proportional to 11 by 2, equation number 1 I can say. And Vn equal to 5, this is for Vn equal to 2, and now this is Vn equal to 5, which is let's say x proportional to, this is 11 divided by 5, equation number 2. From equation 1 and 2 we can observe that x divided by v, if I am taking, then this will be 11 by 5 divided by 11 by 2. This 11 is cancelled out. I need x is equal to 5 by this will be 2 by 5, because 2 will be in numerator finally and 5 will be in denominator, so x is coming out to be 2 by 5v. So let us match the options. So obviously option number 4 should give us the right choice. So in the fifth orbit, velocity will be 2 by 5th of second orbit, that means v. Fine? Yes.